In this video, we are going to see how we can insert and format Excel shapes. So let's go ahead and have a look. So in previous video, we saw how to insert images that we did right over here. So similarly, you can insert various shapes that are available within Excel. And to do that, you click on Insert, and then under Illustrations, there will be a section to insert shape, right? So click on the drop down, and here you will find a lot of shapes that are available for you to use. Okay, so in this case, let me just insert a rectangle, and I would like to draw a rectangle over my totals, all right, to highlight that. And as you can see, it automatically fills up with solid color and we cannot see what is behind it. We'll come to the formatting a little bit later. Let me just insert one more shape to highlight the maximum expenditure that I'm doing. All right, so let me just take this block of arrow and let me highlight this 58 or 59% almost of expenditure that I'm doing. So similarly, you can insert various shapes you want, but to be able to make use of it and try to highlight the data on Excel, what I can do is I can do formatting for the shapes. So if I select the shape, then you will notice that a extra tab called shape format is available, and I have all the formatting tools available for this shape, right? So if I go to shape fill, I say no fill, so it removes the solid color and only keeps the borderline. So in this case, let me just color the borderline to red and also increase the weight of the borderline to 2 1/4 point. Okay, and if I can just bring this a little bit on the border end to format it better, there you go. So as soon as a user opens the worksheet, his or her focus will directly go to this particular area, right? So it kind of draws attention towards it. Similarly, we can do the formatting for this particular arrow. Let me select the shape. Let me choose this borderline and maybe this fill, and maybe just adjust it a little bit more. So similarly, you can use various shape, but I would recommend you to reuse the shape to enhance the content and not to just clutter the Excel sheet. And just one more thing, which is true for some shapes, not all of the shapes. So for example, if I select this arrow key, you will see that apart from other pointers, there are some yellow markers over here. So when you left click on that, you can actually manipulate the shape. So over here, I'm manipulating the arrow, and over here, I can manipulate the width a little bit. So there are many shapes available over here. You can make use of them, and this feature of manipulating the shapes itself with the yellow pointer is true for some shapes, not all the shapes. So why don't you go ahead and try to insert these shapes to enhance the data on your Excel worksheet, and we'll meet you in another video.